All right, guys, I am so stoked. I'm stoked. I'm old. I'm excited. I'm really excited because I went by the mailbox today and look what arrived.
Look what arrived.
I want to send a thank you and a shout out to the folks at Leaf for sending me this. I'm not going to unbox this because I'm late, but I'm going to put this up tonight. I'm really excited, and I want to thank you guys at Leaf again. I went up on their website, and I think you should too, and I will leave it in the description box below. You should check this out. Inside this box is a beautifully crafted handle that accepts, I think it's 1, 2, or 3, so you can customize the single edge blade that you want to put in. So if you want to do just one blade, if you like one blade, or if you want 2 or 3, you can customize it. Just a beautifully crafted piece of art that I'm hearing has an incredible, or gives an incredible shave, and I cannot wait to do the review of this. I've been excited about it. Again, thank you guys. You made my day today. Look for the unboxing and the review coming really soon. I'm excited. I'm excited today. Thank you, Leaf.